Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the fairy tale special pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first for your general reading. We have Knight of Suns, the completed world and Seven of Stars in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you have a sense of completion, happiness, contentment today. So it may be in your work or it may be in your personal life, some kind of freedom you have in your heart. Some kind of acceptance may be in your heart. So that is giving you that sense of happiness. You feel complete in your situation. You may see conflicts and you may see certain negative things, but you have that harmony and balance no matter what your situation is. So you have that acceptance in your heart, guys, today. So maybe there may be troubles, but you have that acceptance for your situation. That may be the reason for that serenity and peace we see with these cards. And Sagittarius, today in your situation, it may be in your work or it may again be in your relationship. It may be this person who is in love with you or someone important to you. So they are moving away from you. Maybe they are not thinking clearly. They are making some immature, rash decisions and they are just waiting to leave you, or they are just waiting for the maybe it may be something small, but they just want to move away. So simply they are blaming you or blaming that circumstance to leave you or abandon you, guys. And maybe for some of you, this person is traveling for work, so they are going away from you and they want you to always think of them. They want your attention on them. So that may be the reason for their behavior. So if they go away, you are going to constantly think about them and you are going to keep calling them or messaging them to come back. So they are trying to grab your attention, guys, today. That is what I see, guys. So it may be a very a possessive behavior this person has towards you, Sagittarius. And I also see that for some of you, you are going to get you may know this person's behavior. You may have a vague idea where things are going with this behavior or with the way they are with you. So some kind of intuition or some kind of you may see the warning signs even beforehand, and you would have guessed their behavior even before. So but with a little help, maybe with your friends' advice or help or suggestions, someone is here to help you also. You are going to come out of this difficulty, guys. Maybe if you give them that space and freedom, this person will come back to you, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Page of Suns in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, maybe this person is not loyal to you guys. Maybe they are not to be trusted for some of you. Maybe they have someone poisoning their mind. Maybe they are what to say, feeding them with gossips or some kind of rumors, and they are trying to separate you both, guys. That may be the reason for this card here. So this person may have true love, but they are angry because of some kind of gossips or some kind of rumors someone is telling them. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Four of Spears in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, you may see some delays, some kind of suspensions, maybe some financial troubles, and maybe you need to go for moderation, guys. Maybe try to keep a check on how you spend on things, and maybe if you can be patient and willing to work patiently, you are going to come out of this financial struggle, guys, you are facing today, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Fairy Tale Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a Fairy Tale Pick a Card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is Fair, Brown and Trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you, so you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato. Wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is. They are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your true love will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.